Hello friends, welcome back to the new video. In this video guys, we are going to talk about guys how can we remove our app lock setting in our Redmi phone device. Guys, you want to remove your app lock, so guys you can remove it. And guys, now let's see how to remove app lock in our Redmi phone device. Guys, means guys, you want to off, you want to delete, you want to remove your app lock, so guys you can remove it. So friend, first of all open your phone setting to remove your app lock setting. Then guys scroll it, and guys you can see your app settings, so guys tap here. Then guys you can see your app lock, so guys tap here. So I draw your pattern. Then guys you can see this icon guys, this first one, setting options, so I tap here. And guys you can see app lock, I will off from here, means remove. So you can see you will have to again start. So I hope friends you have understood how to remove app lock in our Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. Now we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.